cranes cannot cross that pipe rack because it is a practical issue.
The head clearance issue is there.
Sorry.
Head clearance issue is there.
Yes.
Okay.
That is a problem. So now cranes will never cross this issue. This one only normal trucks. Huh? What is happening is normal trucks only crossing.
Okay.
But one point here, then we are doing one Bhuasa diversion project also. Then how you are installing this pig launcher there?
That's
And
what
we have,
whether it is currently installed or not, because
it is going to, it is going to come very short now.
No, that is coming before pipe rack, not after pipe rack.
No. That is, if you see the same location where we have the skid now, that is very next to that.
To the north side.
To the north side, the same area. You see, space for future pig receiver. This area only we are installing. So how do we install that? Because if you don't have access to crane in this area,
crane access is there, Muhyiddin, because if you use inclined boom, it will not access. But normal boom, horizontal boom can cross, no problem.
Okay. So generally, always we have a horizontal boom. So when